again, I'm not gonna go through these in any huge detail, we'll just briefly remember. Water, amino acids. When we get to, I know you memorized all of the amino acids. When we get to proteins, we're gonna talk about these specific ones, right? Some of them are precursors to other ones. Some of them we just need on our own. So these are the 9 that we need, okay? Without them, we can't function. You don't have to memorize them today in chapter 1. When we get to proteins, we'll talk about them specifically. But I know you had to memorize
And the
them
shapes, right? You have to memorize how to draw it out.
Oh, no, you don't have to do that
You
again.
don't have to?
You're
Oh,
gonna
okay,
memorize,
got it.
well, you're going to memorize specific pathways
Okay.
from, which have 5 steps, and you're gonna have to memorize how to get from step A to step E, but I'm not just gonna say draw methionine.
Oh.
In other words, we could be going, we could be making an amino acid, going from an amino acid to a neurotransmitter, and so within that, you're gonna draw this amino acid and this intermediate and then this neurotransmitter. But they're not gonna be standalone. You're gonna be using them in a context. Okay, and then sufficient amino acids total to satisfy protein and amino acid group requirements. In other words, even if you get all of these, if you don't get enough of them, you're still gonna have a deficiency. Okay, we also need energy sources. So, carbohydrate, fat, and some proteins can be used as energy and some cannot. And again, we'll get to that later. We need polyunsaturated fatty acids. And when we get to lipids, we'll talk way more about these, the omega-3 and omega-6s. And that has to do with the fact that when we saturate or unsaturate things, we don't have the enzymes to ask these molecules to fold in certain ways. That's why they're essential, because, okay, I'll stop. We'll talk about it later, sorry. Okay, vitamins. These are the essential fat-soluble ones and the essential water-soluble ones. Again, between A and B, we're going to go through all of these. This is just kind of getting it out there. And our minerals. See, so we've got our chromium and boron probably. Yeah, so chromium in the last 20 years has gone up and down in 6 different decisions. It's this weight loss miracle drug. It's this, you shouldn't take it, you should take it, it's only in this form. So, yeah, caveat emptor, buyer beware. Okay, so I just from 430, there were a couple people when I was teaching this class before, I was also teaching 430 at the same time, and so I was just cross-linking them.
What's 430?
Oh, sports and nutrition.
Oh.